Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete Windows Update files in Windows 10 and 11, free up space plus boost performance easy guide. Over time, your computer collects a lot of junk files, things like system cache, temporary files, and leftovers from updates. So these files take up valuable space that slow down your PC and can affect the performance. But the good news is it is super easy to clear them out. Today, I'll show you the steps on how to free up space and boost your computer speed in just a few simple steps. Let's start with deleting prefetch files. So you'll just have to press Windows plus R to open the run window. So you should be able to see something like this. So you'll just have to type in here prefetch. Then click on OK. And right after, you'll just have to click continue if a permission window appears. So let's try to click continue in here. And once you're in here, you'll just have to control A for that one or select all of the files and then press shift plus delete to permanently delete the prefetch files. So these files are safe to remove and clearing them boosts the performance. Or you could just simply click on delete here onto the upper part. So you'll just have to wait for that one. So just skip the files that you cannot remove, and then right after, it's time to head for step 2, which is to clear the temp folder. So let's close this one, and the same thing, like Windows R onto your keyboard, and this time instead of prefetch, type in temp. Right after, click on OK, and this should open another folder. So the same thing, we're just gonna continue with the access for this. Now let's Control A to select all the files and then delete them. So just click on continue again. And let's wait for this one to be deleted. So this will go to the recycle bin, which is gonna be our last part for this. So just skip those things that cannot be deleted. So let's do this for all of the items there. And let's wait for that. So this will remove leftover temporary files that are created by apps. Now, once that one is done, it's time to move on to another. So Windows R again onto the keyboard, and this time, instead of just temp, we're gonna go ahead and type temp just like this one. So click on OK, and we're gonna be doing the same thing. So we're still gonna select all of the files in here, and then right after, we'll just have to go ahead and delete them to clear out even more system junk. So some files may not delete as well for this one, and that's okay. We'll just have to do the same thing what we did earlier. That is to go ahead and skip that. So let's wait for this one to be. So as you can see, these are some of the files that was the same earlier. Let's just do this for all the current items and skip them. So this may take some time since there are a lot of files in here that needs to be deleted. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done so that we could free up more space. And once you're done with that, we're down to the last one. So let's close this one out and then click on Windows R again. And this time, we're going to go ahead and type in here clean and then MGR. Then press OK. So this will go ahead and open another folder here. So this will go ahead and open another tab instead of a folder in here. So what we need to do is we'll need to go ahead and select your main drive, usually C. So let's find that here. So that we have that here already. And then check all the boxes, which is with the recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and etc. So we have that one here, the temporary internet files, this one, recycle bin, the temporary files. We have the thumbnails as well. And then we'll have to click on OK to delete all of the selected junk and to free up more space. So this will permanently delete that already. So we're just gonna click onto delete files again. And as you can see, you should be able to see something like this cleanup. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be done. It should go ahead and proceeded to do a Windows Update cleanup, which removes old versions or updates that are no longer needed, saving a lot of space. And by clearing out these files, especially the last one, the Windows Update leftovers, your computer will be faster, lighter, and perform better. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.